Kind of hard for me to explain on a video, but if your crew leader or the person you're working with asks for this, it's called an X-jet. Letter X and then jet, J-E-T, X-jet. This is basically a downstreamer or a soap injector, okay? Just like the soap injectors back here on the reels. Those are what draw soap when you put in the right nozzle. Well, this does it right at the end of your wand. So this would go here. You take this off, plug this in. So this is your nozzle. And then this barb here gets this poly hose put on it. This is 50 feet. So you'd have this plugged in here. You'd have the one end of the 50-foot poly hose here. Then the other end of the poly hose goes in whatever chemical you're drawing. The advantage of this is it draws chemicals at a much stronger ratio. So a lot of times we'll use this to draw oxalic acid or the rust remover solution. We'll use this setup on the end of on end of a wand with the poly hose and a bucket, and that does mean you have to carry a bucket around with you. But usually it's pretty simple with two guys and a 50-foot hose, and that's how we'll apply rust remover to a driveway, because you have to coat the whole driveway. And to run it through your machine downstreamer, it isn't strong enough. So that's why we like to use this, because this is like I think a 2-to-1 ratio. So it applies it at a much stronger rate. This thing here twists, it's adjustable. It kind of opens up. That would be for very long range. And this would be just the fan. It's typically what we use it on. It's a wider fan, but it's all adjustable. And then when you're done applying the chemical, then it's important to unplug this and then take it over to the freshwater tank and rinse it out, as well as your hose. And just be careful where you're rinsing it, because this hose will still be full of chemicals. So you don't want to rinse it in somebody's yard or on like dirty concrete that we aren't cleaning, because it'll make a big clean spot. So just use common sense when you're rinsing this stuff out with fresh water. But it's extremely important to rinse this every single time, just like we flush the machines every single time.